Hey everybody, welcome back to the Stone House. It's kind of an emotional time for me, I don't know why, but this video brought it out of me. But I think it's also because I just feel like the house in general is getting close to being done. So we've been watching a lot of videos with the kids at night, my videos on YouTube, the old ones. And some of them are great, and the kids are seeing how much they helped and how much work I've put into this place and how much work their moms put into this place. And it's all just becoming really real for me, I guess. And I'm just so thankful to all of you that have been here. We've been reading a lot of old comments too. This has been really hard, the whole thing. It's been a long time, as you know, and I don't know, I appreciate all of you being here, watching along, commenting. It's been nice. It's been nice having you all here. So this week we started tiling, as you can see. And I started out with a nice level line, and technically, as I'm recording this voiceover right now, we're still tiling, and it's still going well. But this is the progress that we've made in the last week or so. I hope you enjoy it. You don't even have to be new to the channel to know that I'm pretty touchy-feely about lines and things being symmetrical. And so this is, I'm sure I'll get it, but I'm definitely freaking out about doing this.
I'm opening my eyes like opening a box of truth. And I'm putting on my vest like stepping out of a telephone booth.
This is my cut side, so I want to cut side out there.
And I wait for an hour or two together. I can't do this forever. And I'm burning up my better days like setting flame to a letter. And seasons turn to years in a life, till there's nothing left for me to do but cry. And it's a problem, it's a problem, it's a problem. I always thought that silence was the best word I could say. So I cracked open my heart and I let it bleed out on a stage. And I know what you're handing down the tree. I just leave it be and slow down what makes me me. Waiting here all afternoon, like waiting around for a train. And it's a problem, it's a problem, it's a problem. Some whistle sound in my home. town. But any kind of life that you work on the ground can get your money down.
I don't have it centered on this one, like there's no bar, because it just has to go next to this one. So what we're gonna do, put it up there first, follow on the tile, and throw it up there. Just go back and forth, just like that. Perfect.
Oh, girl, it must be you again. You have gone straight to my head. Take the pills and go to bed, but I'm still hooked on this. Well, you are sacred in a way. I don't know God, but still have faith that He will manifest some way when I am next to you. Asked your father for your hand, but it didn't matter what he said. The thought of you in a white dress, I don't think I can shake it. We'll get a little place upstate, stay till the kids all graduate, and talk of moving every day. But who are we kidding? We made all our memories here, felt our joys and shed our tears. And when the Holy Ghost appears, hope He sends me back a few more years. I'll be buried next to you, the world will keep on turning to. But if I am next to you, I do not care. I do not care.
All right, that's all we're gonna do for tonight. I just got home, got home from work, still in my work clothes. Probably shouldn't do that. I should know better than to do that. And we did, as you saw in the time lapse, but right here, up to the door, and then we got this corner. So many cuts and measuring and things going on here. And as you can see, we're hanging it back from the window a little bit. That's just so I can put a little piece of wood in there. We're going to nail it through onto the stud that I have there. And then the window trim will go on top of the tile a little bit. I think that will give us a nice, clean, finished look. Same with this door. I'm going to put some little wood strips here, and then the trim will go over the tile a little bit, like an inch. We just put the laser down and shot the lines, and it looks, it should be perfect because we started with one perfect level line, and then we worked down from it and up from it. But they need to come together above the door, ideally perfectly. Same with the windows, right? Like we're going to be starting over here, coming up, And then it needs to connect to the window. Up there, straight lines, 1/8 gaps. I think as long as we just take our time. And this is not ideal. I know it's not ideal to be doing it in like lifts, but as long as you make sure that your lines are really clean, you don't have any extra mortar, then you shouldn't have any lippage issues. I mean, you can see like everything looks good where we've already done it once. I love being able to see like into the pantry and then like envisioning this being some color and like, yeah, it's gonna be so cool. I'm excited. This is what I do, guys. This is what I do for every project. Oh, I think about it. It's so much. Oh, those lines are good. If all those lines turn out that good for all this, oh my gosh, that'd be so good. I would just be so happy. I mean, I'm really happy with that. I like the layout. I like the way we cut around the light, and I think that will look good. Someone said not to use white grout because white grout gets dirty, and I agree with you. I agree with you. I mean, right now it's kind of like having a dark grout, and I don't mind the look of that, so we might go dark grout, gray. It's a good idea. It's a good option. All right, I gotta take a shower and eat something. Until next time.